Rutherford's model of atom. Rutherford made a model for an atom with the help of alpha scattering experiment. So first we can discuss about alpha scattering experiment. Rutherford explained atom model with the help of gold foil experiment. It is also known as alpha scattering experiment. He used an alpha source. It is an alpha source. It is gold foil and it is a photographic plate. Alpha rays are the rays which is having positive charge. It is alpha source. These are positive rays. It is a photographic plate. Photographic plate will indicate the presence of rays. We cannot see the alpha rays, but we can identify the presence of alpha rays with the help of this photographic plate. When alpha rays are transmitting through gold foil, some of the alpha rays are deviating in small angles. Here, these rays are deviated in small angles, and some of the alpha rays are deviating in large angle. Very few number of alpha particles are bouncing back. This alpha ray is bouncing back. So most of the alpha particle traveled without any deflection. Some of the alpha particle deflected in small angles, and very few number of alpha particle reflected back. These are the observations of alpha scattering experiment. Now we can discuss the observations of the experiment, which is very important. Observations of experiment. Most of the alpha particle traveled without any deflection. Some of the alpha particles deflected in small angles. Very few number of alpha particles reflected back. These are the observation of the experiment. On the basis of this observation, he made some of the conclusions. Rutherford model of atom. He made Rutherford model of atom with the help of this observation. Most of the alpha particle traveled without any deflection. So most of the space of atom is empty. What is the reason for the deflection? Why alpha particles are getting deflected when it is transmitting through that gold foil? Because in the gold foil there is a positive charge. So because of that positive charge, it is deflecting. Alpha rays are deflecting. But most of the alpha particle traveled without any deflection. So we can say that most of the space of atom is empty. When an alpha ray is traveling through an atom, it won't deflect because most of the space of atom is empty. Very few number of alpha particles reflected back. So positive charge of an atom concentrated in an extremely small region. Thomson's model was wrong because according to him, atom is a large sphere which is having positive charge. Here, very few number of alpha particles reflected back means there is a positive charge, but it is concentrated extremely in a small region in an atom. The positive charge concentrated in an extremely small region. This region is known as nucleus of atom. So we can define nucleus. Positive charge and most of the mass of atom are concentrated in an extremely small region in the atom. This region is known as nucleus. And electrons are revolving around the nucleus. It is the model given by Rutherford.